こんにちは。Welcome to FURI FURI Kitchen. Today, Sheena is going to make Miso Ramen. Miso Ramen, originating in Hokkaido, the northern island of Japan, stands out for its savoury, bold and umami-rich broth made with miso paste. Hokkaido's colder climate influenced the creation of this hearty ramen style, perfect for warming up. Miso ramen broth is completely different from miso soup. It's much richer, more elaborate, and specifically crafted for ramen. You can make this heartwarming vegan miso ramen very easy at home in 10 minutes. Enjoy the bowl of comfort and warm yourself up. Okay, let's get started. First, prepare toppings. The choice of ramen toppings is a personal preference. Choose some toppings that you like and create your own bowl of ramen. For this miso ramen, Sheena has chosen bean sprouts, spring onion, corn, and wakame seaweed. Lightly stir-fry the bean sprouts in a frying pan and simply season with salt and white pepper. Finely slice the spring onion. Rehydrate the wakame seaweed in a bowl of water and drain. Prepare the corn. Next, ramen soup. Mince half a spring onion, about 10 grams. Grate 1 clove of garlic and a little piece of ginger, about half a teaspoon. Place 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan. Add the spring onion, grated garlic and ginger. Turn the heat to medium-low and stir-fry until fragrant. Add 400 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1.5 tablespoons of mirin. Turn the heat to medium and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiled, turn the heat to low. Simmer for about 2 minutes to allow the alcohol from sake and mirin to evaporate. And add half a cube of vegetable stock. If you use a small cube like oxo, use 1 cube. And dissolve. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of red miso paste. Using a tea strainer can help dissolve it evenly. And add 2 teaspoons of unsweetened smooth peanut butter as a secret ingredient. Adding peanut butter might be unusual, but it adds extra richness, a hint of sweetness and nuttiness to the broth. And then add half a tablespoon of sesame oil and a pinch of white pepper. Do not boil the broth, as miso paste is sensitive to high heat. It's best to add miso paste at the end of cooking and avoid boiling it to retain its flavor and nutritional benefits. The broth is now ready. Now, cook the ramen noodles. The choice of ramen noodles depends on personal preference and availability, but thicker, wavy noodles tend to be a popular and delicious choice for rich flavored miso ramen. Cook 1 portion of ramen noodles according to the package instructions. And drain well. If needed, reheat the ramen soup, but be careful not to boil, and pour it in a ramen bowl. Add the cooked ramen noodles and arrange the toppings on top. Serve immediately. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said. This vegan miso ramen offers a rich, robust broth with layers of flavor, providing a comforting and fulfilling meal. Sheena is delighted she can whip up such a tasty and nutritious miso ramen at home in just 10 minutes. She feels warmed up and full of energy now. Thank you for watching FURI FURI Kitchen. ありがとう. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. またね